All right, let's get straight to it. You've probably heard of Monzo, right? The digital bank that's all about making your money life easier. It's great for budgeting, spending tracking, and all that jazz. But here's the burning question. Can you have two physical cards with Monzo? I know, it might sound like a weird question. Why would you need two cards from the same bank? Well, maybe you want one for personal spending and another for business expenses. Or perhaps you just want a backup card. Whatever your reason, it's a valid question. So, can you actually have two Monzo cards? Let's dive in. The short answer. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's cut to the chase. No, you can't have two physical Monzo cards linked to the same account. Bummer, right? But hold on, there might be a workaround. Why only one card? You might be wondering why Monzo limits you to one card. Well, it's all about security and convenience. By having just one card, Monzo can better protect your money. Plus, it simplifies things for you. You don't have to worry about keeping track of multiple cards or accidentally using the wrong one. Workarounds. So, you can't have two physical cards, but that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. There are a couple of workarounds you can try. Virtual cards. Monzo lets you create virtual cards within the app. These cards have their own unique card number, expiry date, and CVV. You can use them for online shopping or recurring payments. While it's not a physical card, it can be a handy alternative. Joint account. If you need a separate card for specific expenses, consider opening a joint account with someone you trust. Both of you will have your own physical card linked to the same account. This can be a good option for sharing expenses, like rent or utilities. Additional account. While you can't have two physical cards linked to the same account, you can open a second Monzo account. Each account will have its own card and its own set of features. This might be a bit more hassle to manage, but it's an option if you really need two separate cards. Other card options. If neither of these workarounds suits your needs, you might want to explore other card options. There are plenty of other banks and financial institutions out there that offer multiple cards. You could consider getting a second card from a different bank to complement your Monzo account. Security first. Remember, when it comes to your money, security should always be a top priority. Avoid sharing your card details with anyone, and keep an eye on your account for any suspicious activity. Conclusion. So, there you have it. You can't have two physical Monzo cards linked to the same account. But with virtual cards, joint accounts, additional accounts, or other card options, you can find a solution that works for you. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that best fits your needs and financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.